In this video, I'll explain how to navigate documents in Adobe InDesign CC 2015. When you're working with documents in InDesign, it's really important to be able to understand that you can navigate in many different ways. And remember, that's important because when you're working with documents in a desktop publishing application, typically they're going to be long documents. In this particular instance, it's only a 4-page document, like a newsletter spread. And the reason I know that is because I'll go ahead and click on Pages, and there's page 1, 2, 3, and 4, with pages 2 and 3 being a left, right, center spread. Now I can navigate through these pages just by double-clicking. So there's page 2, I'll double-click on page 3, and double-click on page 4. And that's one way of navigating your documents. A great feature because especially when you're working with long documents, you need to be able to isolate and identify a page and go to it quickly. Now I'm going to collapse this and show you how down here we also have the option of entering the page manually. I'll type in 1 and press enter, or clicking the down arrow and navigating through our pages just by clicking on one of the numbers. You can also navigate using these buttons: previous page, previous page, previous page, and next page, and so on. And then you can jump to the very end of a document or the very beginning of the document by using these buttons. So that's really important. Again, the idea here is that you should be able to use multiple methods of being able to access your document. Now we have the scroll bars as well. I'll show you those. Pretty simple. I'll go ahead and click and drag, and there we go. We can scroll down and scroll up and left and right using the horizontal and vertical scroll bars. We can also use the mouse wheel. So anywhere on your document window, just mouse wheel down. And that allows us to move through the document using the mouse wheel. There's up right there. And you can also mouse wheel left and right. Okay, this is really important. I'll go ahead and scroll down using the mouse wheel. And then hold down the control key and mouse wheel down. It's going to take the document and move it to the left. And when you mouse wheel up, it's going to move it to the right. So this is a great feature, holding that control key and being able to navigate your document that way. And that's especially important because if I zoom in here, I'll hold down Alt, and let's just zoom in on this document. But oftentimes you're going to want to, with a zoom level like this, be able to move around the document. So just hold down Alt and mouse wheel down, and that will take you right in the document. And then if I release Control and mouse wheel down, there's our next page. So plenty of different ways to navigate in InDesign. You have to become familiar with all of them because, again, they're going to be features that you may use some more than others, but you're going to find that you're going to be switching between them an awful lot. And that's one of the beauties of this great application, is that it gives you this ability to be able to navigate your document using a variety of different methods.